I've been really curious for a little while now about this hanging neck mount for the Osmo Action 4, or any action camera really, because when I shoot POV, most of the time if I'm using my Action 4, then I'll have it on the bike mount in my mouth, or I'll have it on my backpack strap. But if I'm not wearing my backpack, then I don't want to use the bike mount, and so I just wanted something else that could potentially work. And so I've seen this loads, and it's been in my basket for a long time, and I just thought, you know what, let me get it, because there are a few videos that I want to do where why can't I get into this box? Okay, where there are a few videos coming up that I want to do, and I want to have POV, but I want to use the Action 4 and not the Pocket 3, and I also don't want to be wearing my backpack necessarily, so it was just an excuse for me to say just get it already. So I want to see if it's comfortable, I want to see what the viewing angle is like when you're using it for POV, and yeah, just see what it's like to use really. So this is it. It's quite flexible. Feels really soft as well, which is nice. And you also get this thumb screw with it as well. Where is my Action 4? Oh, it's over there. But, so I've got a video that I need to do. The only thing is, if I use this, oh, put it on the wrong way. If I use this, then I'm gonna have to find somewhere else to put my microphone. Have I done it wrong again? Oh my God. What is wrong with me? Right, there. Okay, like that. Right, it feels comfortable. I need to try it with my camera on now. Where is it? Okay. Right, I'm gonna have to take my microphone off. This could work. So if I was out and about, I will go and test this properly, but that could actually work quite well. Where would I put my microphone? If I had a mic, where would I put it? Okay, let's just assume that when I do POV that I'm not actually going to be talking to the camera. With my phone. It'd be easier if I actually look at my phone at the Nemo app. Oh, this would be perfect, I thought. So imagine I'm doing something like this. If I also put it with horizon balancing, if I move down, it stays there. If I move back, if I move up, I turn to the side, it literally just stays in place. I'm gonna go and play around, go and do some video, make a video, and I've got some stuff to do, so I'll test it out properly, but I think this could actually work very nicely. What I will say though is, because of the minimum focusing distance of the Action 4, I think it's 40 centimeters. You kind of have to have your arms stretched out quite far, because otherwise, as you can see here, the shot looks a little bit out of focus because I'm too close to the camera. So I think whatever I'm doing, I just need to hold my hand out a little bit further. Otherwise, it seems to work quite nicely. So yeah, it just sits there. It doesn't feel heavy on my neck, the camera's not heavy, and it just kind of just sits in place. It's not moving around. It's just staying. I like this. Okay, good shout.